you feeling?
After sleeping like you said,
Just made me more determined than ever to spot a giant panda. And if they really were giant...
One tire. I give you 7 snow tiles for free. Done. You're interested, you call me.
This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights.
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
wagon?
Uh-huh. There was a tire with a star, a Guardian X poster, and a siren in it.
How could a car like you quit at the top of your game?
You think
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, Pace. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Wait.
My name is Jeff.
Finn, time to go. Sidley's gassed, geared, and ready to fly.
You're leaving?
Tomica and
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
and
Get right one,
past the storm. But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down for them.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Eat your heart out.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this. Little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right, let's try.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
He can do it. He's got the horsepower. So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we are...
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I better do it and stop.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season...